Now I'm visible, but
Yeah, you are visible and audible.
still you are not visible.
Yeah, I'm not visible.
No, you are not visible.
Now,
Yes, now you are visible and you are looking so beautiful.
thank you. So, as you know, we are meeting for the very first time. So, introduce yourself.
Yes, my name is Anima. Basically, I'm from Bokaro, Jharkhand, but currently staying in Pune, Maharashtra. Because my husband is working there, I'm a homemaker, I'm a mother of a son, and I'm running YouTube channel.
Okay, you are also in YouTube channel. YouTube, है ना?
Yes.
So, this is my turn. My name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in near Dura, near Fatehpur Sikri,
Mm-hmm.
and I have two kids. And this time I am only housemaker. And if you talk about my qualification, I completed my 12th class in 2014, and this time I focus on my English speaking practice.
Very nice. Sounds good. So, who motivate you to learning English, to speak English? Anyone
Yeah,
with you?
I motivate on myself.
Okay. So, when did you
Because,
start?
yeah, I started my YouTube journey 1 year ago, but I this time I speaking practice only 2 week ago.
Oh, very nice. So, nowadays you speak every day. You have.
Yeah, I will. I try, but sometime I make conversation, but one day I'm not able to.
Okay, then you have uploaded everyday videos on your channel.
Only one day after 1 ago.
Okay, alternative this.
Yeah,
Okay, so what is your hobbies?
my hobby is teaching, and I make something new. Interested, I interest something new because if surrounding me something new, I want to catch.
Yes, really, it's a good talent
Yeah.
to learn something new.
This if I have something important knowledge, then I want to give, and if other person have good knowledge, then I want to catch.
Great. So, what do you do for your better communication? What are you doing for this?
This time I'm only sometime I read book English story, and I select some vocab, and that I make sentence.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So, do you have any topic for conversation or just a
Yeah,
random
I
conversation?
want to share some sentence structure.
Okay. So, do you have
Yeah. So, do you know what we call in English kuch na kuch?
something, something, kuch na kuch?
No, you
Tell me
can something or other, something or other,
something else. Yes, you can share something else also.
something or something or other,
Okay, okay, okay.
na kuch.
Mm-hmm.
If I will try make sentence, okay? You will learn something or other. You will, यानी कि तुम कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखोगे. You will learn or something or other.
Yes, okay.
Yeah. Second is kahin na kahin. Do you know kahin na kahin?
कहीं ना कहीं, any,
Yeah.
anywhere, any other.
You you can say somewhere or other.
Sorry, I'm
Some,
not ready for this. I'm not preparing this type of thing. I'm just
you
speaking
know,
and
yeah.
or uh,
That
topic.
I want to only share with you because if I share any with any person, then I repeat in my mind. So I I fluently speak this sentence. That's why
Yeah.
I share it. Yeah.
But
And
I'm not preparing this type of thing because I'm just speaking in the front of camera or in the front of people for
you
my
know it's
thing.
very important for speak English. If you some anything you speak in front other, and then you speak easily.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
But I make sentence in like grammar or anything. That time I stuck more.
Yeah, grammar important for learning English, but only tense part,
Mhm,
sentence part is important, but other is not more important. If you
mhm.
speak, if you make sentence, then you make easily your talk.
So, what do you do in your grammar part? It means like in tense or anything else.
Yeah, this time I'm only focus my sent. You can say I think we should read small daughter book. You can say 4 to 5 class book. English story is very easy, so you can understand very easily.
Yes. So, do you
So
read?
yeah, I read sometime my daughter book because
Okay.
they study on 4th class, so I read their book.
So, do
So
you teach to your daughter?
yeah, sometime I taught
Mhm.
because a small daughter books is very easy and interesting story.
Yes, yes, yes. I
So
also
that's
read
why,
stories in phone.
yeah. Sometime I read and select vocab. I practice to make sentence.
That's
Yeah.
great.
So do you have any kid?
Yes, I have a kid. He's 2 years old.
Only one.
Yes, only one.
Okay. There is boy.
Yes, he's boy. Now he's
Yeah.
going to like playgroup. That's why I
Yeah.
make preparation.
Because children are playing this time because winter holiday started.
Mm-hmm. No, he's going to playgroup. It's in play school.
Yeah. Okay. But now there is not any children go to school because the holidays uh, winter holiday started. So that's why they playing here and there.
Yes, but in my side, it's in not winter vacation. It's now
Okay.
it's summer little
Yeah.
bit.
Yeah. But this time I today sunny day, but other day is not sunny day. No, not sun is not opener
Yes, yes.
and very cold here.
Do you like to cook food? Which type of thing you cook food for you special?
Not special, but I make food only daily chapati and vegetables because I live in a village, so that's why here cooked all members chapati and vegetables.
So do you know something special for?
Not because this here anyone is like only chapati. If anyone is special, you cook and you serve. Then not. This is not interesting, and I'm not full. They only select a chapati.
They are
They-
not satisfied.
Yeah, if you have it, then other thing you eat other thing, so you can easily take eat. But if you not have it anything other thing eat, so that's why they only like chapati.
To have interested to cook like something different, like
Yeah,
like when we are cook every day like chapatis, rice and vegetables. So if we are know that आज चलो कुछ different बनाते हैं. So if you
yeah.
think
Yes, I don't know, but what we call in English, but I make malpua and sometimes I make other thing, but this time I'm not able to. I'm not remember this name, but
Mhm.
I tried. You know, this time I have free. That time I think I should I make something new,
Mhm.
but
Uh,
this time I have lot of animal and I have very long and any this there is 9 member in my family, so my family is big, so I
Oh,
have lot of work. So that's why I'm not take free time for myself.
okay, no problem. You have engaged whole days. After that, you make conversation. It's a good job.
Yeah, if you want to do something new in your life, then you did hard work. You have to hard work.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay, then we will connect other day because I'm going to school to pick up my son.
Okay, so nice to meet you.
Okay, we will connect tomorrow again.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.